Hi friends, I'm back. So I actually have several boxes that I need to unbox. So I'm gonna make these videos a little bit different, and I'm gonna make them into short live videos. That way I could unbox everything with you guys and show you what I have. Okay, so this video will be my Scentsy Club order for the month of October. Now, if you don't have a Scentsy Club yet, or you don't know what Scentsy Club is, you and I need to talk, okay? Because you're missing out on so many perks that it's like you need to join and subscribe. Okay, so now let's talk about the perks. So you have the Always Get My bar. So any discontinued wax bars, as long as you have them in the club, Scentsy will continue to make them just for you. Then we have our discounted items. You get 10% off any subscription that's $30, and then over $60 you get one half off item. And then of course you have your customized shipping, so you just add it, schedule it, and then forget about it, right? So you add whatever items you want at whatever schedule. We have monthly, every other month, and quarterly, and you just forget about it. So that's a plus. Now let's get started and let's start unboxing this. All right, ready? Let's get all this. It smells so good in here, so good. All right, all my stuff got shipped, so that's good. So first thing first, my cotton balls. So these are 25 cotton balls. I use these every week, at least 3 to 4, right? Because I have warmers in every room. These are a mess, so easy to clean up when you're changing the wax. I also have a fragrance flower. This month I switched it to the winter berry apple tea. Yum. I also have my all-purpose cleaner. This one is in a Make a Splash. Also smells so good. Next item is my oil, my natural oil for my diffusers. This is my first month trying it because I just switched it this month. It is white peach and eucalyptus. I'll let you guys know how it smells. And then I also get my scent circle. This one is black raspberry vanilla. That one's for me. And then husband mystery man. These are a must. I also have my wax. This one is Happy Birthday. So this one is no longer on the website, but again, it's part of the Always Get My bar perk. So Scentsy continues to make it just for me. All right, 2 more items left. So this is our travel twist. I have this one, or I'm getting this one in Blue Grotto. Travel twist, you just twist it and it releases a scent. These are perfect for luggages, gym bags. I'm gonna be taking a trip soon, so I'm stocking up on these. And last but not least, my whiff box, which is actually heavy this month. Whiff box. Whiff box is valued at $35, but because of all the items that I got, reaches that $60 amount. This one I'm only getting it for $17.50. I am not paying $35, $17.50. So again, if you don't have a Scentsy Club, check the links down below. I'm gonna add it. Make sure you join. It's a must. Don't miss out on the perks. So this is it for Scentsy Club. Let's move on to the next video. Yeah.